Hi, in this video we will be learning how to change a color of a text field and PDF by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here on my computer you can see this is the PDF form which we want to change the color of this field. So this is a default color you can see on my computer, but I'm not happy with this color. Okay, so if you want to change it, how you can do it? It's very simple. You will need to open this software which is Adobe Acrobat Pro. Okay, and then simply you will need to open the file. So I have already opened the file. You can see this is an intake form. So simply I will need to click on this tool button. When you do that, now here you can see it's showing prepare form. Okay, so simply click on this button. So when you click on it, all the text field will be automatically select in your form. So some of them may be not select, but most of them will be select. Okay, so now here you can see now you will need to select which text field color you want to change. So I want to start from the first one. Okay, so simply double click on this one. When you do that, now here you can see it's showing appear. Okay, appearance. So simply click on this appearance button. Now here you can see it's showing field color. So simply click on this button. Now here you can select any color. Okay, so I just want to select this color, just for a demo. So simply select this color and then simply click on close button. Okay, so when you do that, now here if you just click on this button preview, okay, now here you can see if I just click on the text field, okay, so the color will be showing here. Now you can see I can tap anything, but if I just click some other place, now you can see the color has been not showing here. Okay, so there is a trick which you will need to use there, so then it will be showing here. Okay, so just simply remove this thing. Okay, and again here you can see it's mentioned edit. So simply click on this button, edit button. Now here you can see it's showing more. Okay, so simply guys, you will need to click on this more button. When you do that, now here you can see it's showing highlight existing field. Okay, so simply click on this button. Okay, now if you click on this preview button, okay, so this text field will be showing always in your PDF. Okay, so you can see if I just click anywhere guys, it doesn't matter, so it will be showing here. Okay, so it's very simple. Again, you can just click on this edit button. Now if you want to for the address, if you want to use any different color, okay, so for the name we have used this text field color. Okay, but for the address I want to use any different color. So simply double click on this button. Okay, now here you can see it's showing appearance. So simply click on this appearance button. Now here you can see it's showing field color. Okay, again, so simply click on this button. Now here I want to select the red color. Okay, so simply click on the red color and then simply close it. Okay, so you don't need to do anything. Now you can just select any field, so the color will be automatically changed. So if I just simply click on this preview, now you can see, so here is the red color and above green color. So in this way you can change as many colors as you want for your PDF form. But if you want to change the color of a text box, so you can also do this guys. So simply come here. Now you can see this is a text box, check box. You can see do you have. Okay, so you can just select this. Okay, so simply double click on it, and here you can see it's showing the field color is white here. Okay, so simply click on this button and select this one. Okay, and then simply click on close button. Now if you click on previews, the color has been changed here. So in this way you can also change the color of your bag, the color of your, so you can change the whole PDF text field color, and you can change the check box color. So it's very simple. Just click on this edit button. Okay, and here you can just simply select on any field which color you want to change. So simply double click on it, and here you will need to click on appearance and then simply click on field color and select this color. It's up to you which color you want, and then simply click on this close button, so the color will be showing. Okay, and again guys, if you want to change the way, like so here you can see now in my all field the color has been showing here, right? But if you don't want this, if you want only if somebody click on this field, so the color should be showing, not the other time. Okay, so simply click on edit button again and simply click on more button and simply select this highlight existing field. Okay, so when you do that, now if I just click on previews, now you can see guys the color has been not showing here. But if I enter to the text field, so then the following color will be showing here, right? So now you can see if I just click on this text field, so the check box color has been showing here. Okay, but if I just click on any other place, so the color will be now showing here. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you have any kind of question, please let me know in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.